Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need notifications allowed, so check phone settings and WhatsApp app permissions first. Once done, open the contact or group you want to change. Tap their name at the top to reveal contact info, then find and tap Custom Notifications. This opens the one control panel that lets you set tones, vibration, pop-up, and light. It's the only built-in way per chat. Make sure you're editing the correct chat, because these settings apply only to that contact or group. Turn on Use Custom Notifications so the controls become active. That's essential. Then choose a distinct notification tone. It's best to pick a short, recognizable sound. Next, set vibration and pop-up behavior. Choose longer or repeated vibrations for urgent contacts. If your device supports LED or notification light, pick a color that stands out. Also adjust message preview and priority, so notifications appear correctly on lock screen, and save the settings and immediately test by sending a message from another phone or asking the contact to message you. If you don't hear the tone, make sure media and notification volumes are up. Do Not Disturb is off for this app, and battery optimization isn't blocking background notifications. If problems persist, temporarily disable the custom notification and re-enable it, and only as a last resort, clear app cache or reinstall WhatsApp. This targeted retry solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.